Cleaning and chamfering is vital for correct welding. Cleaning removes any trace of adhesive from the joint. To clean, wipe with a cloth soaked in isopropyl alcohol. Chamfering cleans the inside of the joint, opening it up to make a V-shape and enabling the cord to weld better. Set the Gerflor welding gun thermostat to between 6 and 8. Place the blade in the joint and gently pull to form a V-shaped joint. For an angular weld, use the same procedure. Chamfering can also be done cold, using a grooving triangle or a grooving tool. Welding gun, hot beveling tool, grooving triangle, grooving tool.